This new contract and the new remuneration, which I think the NFF will do the necessary to now be able to finalize it. But at least I can confirm to you, we have agreed a new terms, I can say term sheet with the coach, and when the NFF will put it on the paper, but at least we have agreed something with the coach about his new remuneration, so we are going to increase his money. We're going to also take care of his assistants that are helping him. And there are other benchmarks that we have put on the table. And I'm sure the coach was very, very excited about it. So that has been put out of the way, NFF will deal with the rest. Also, we have discussed how we can build for the future. Because we have now the next AFCON, we have the next World Cup, now we have to start preparing now. And we have to start putting our heads together to put on the foundation to make sure all the mistakes and all the deficit that we have suffered now will not happen again. The issue is to learn from the mistake and see how we can make it better. So on that aspect, we also agree with the coach that the NFF, that the coach will also take care of the under-23 national team, because we can see the young people that are already coming up to the Super Eagles who are within that age, who are participating, who are coming for the future. So we have to now, instead of having different ideas, let's have ideas from under 23 to the Super Eagles. So the Eric Tell and his team will add 1 or 2 people to support them, but the whole team of the Super Eagles will also manage the under 23 plus 1 or 2 edition. If there are clashes in the matches, then the people that are additions will do the matches while they do the Super Eagles. The objective is we have to build for 2030 now. It is now we have to start bringing in the young ones that will join the team, and that's the vision of doing that. It's not about crowding the coach, and people ask crowding the coach with more work. No, it's about now putting the building blocks on the foundation.